Are you missing a tooth? Wondering how to regain your natural smile? A single-tooth dental implant might be the solution for you. This advanced treatment is designed to replace a missing tooth with a stimulating and durable alternative. The process begins with a detailed 3D CBCT scan. This scan assesses bone density and proximity to nerves, allowing precise implant planning. If you have a damaged tooth, extraction may be needed. In some cases, a bone graft will provide the necessary bone support. Surgical placement occurs under local anesthesia. Sedation options are available to ensure comfort. After placement, a healing period of 3 to 6 months allows the implant to fuse with the bone in a process called osseointegration. Once healed, a custom ceramic crown is attached. Overall treatment typically takes 4 to 8 months. So, what exactly is a single-tooth dental implant? It's a titanium or zirconia post placed in your jawbone. Over time, it integrates with your bone and supports a custom ceramic crown. This restoration functions like a natural tooth without requiring preparation of healthy adjacent teeth. Moreover, it helps prevent bone loss, preserving your facial structure. Why choose Bright Smile Design? Our in-house placement and restoration mean no specialist referrals. We use advanced 3D CBCT planning, offering both titanium and metal-free zirconia options. Our skilled team is led by an ICOI fellow, ensuring you're in expert hands. Additionally, we offer a 1-year warranty on all work and free consultations for a pressure-free experience. Our implants are often the best choice when you have a single missing tooth. Unlike bridges, implants require no preparation of healthy teeth and are easier to clean. We assess each case individually to ensure suitability based on bone volume and gum health. Ready to start your dental journey? Call Bright Smile Design today at 718-615-2272 for your free consultation. Experience the change that a single tooth implant can make in your life.